Hey, good morning, guys. Yeah, so I feel like people understand when they hit the water, there's the number one rule that they have to follow, and that's having a life jacket with them. But it gets a little more complex than that. And that's why we have our expert here, Sergeant Rigsby with Kentucky Fish and Wildlife. Can you run me through some of the laws when it comes to having a life jacket on a boat near the water, that kind of thing?
Yes, ma'am. So this is definitely going to be probably the most important piece of safety equipment that's going to be on your vessel. One thing that we need to talk about is everyone on the boat has to have a life vest, everyone, and it has to be age and size appropriate.
Okay.
Every life vest is different, and they have to be U.S. Coast Guard approved, and on the back you can see all of the information, and it will say U.S. Coast Guard approved on every life vest.
And with the weight limits as well, and you've got a smaller one here, so they have to be completely approved with that aspect of things too. Like if we were on a boat, you couldn't have that life jacket and I couldn't have this one because that weight limit is like 50 pounds or something like that.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, so when it comes to the little ones, every kid, no matter the age, has to have a life jacket as well?
Yes, that is correct. Even an infant has to have a life vest on when the boat is underway, which means it's not docked or moored.
And then when these life jackets have to be in a pretty specific place?
Yes.
Or not in a specific place?
Yes. Well, they have to be readily accessible, and that is by law. They have to be readily accessible. And what that means is you don't want your life vest under a whole bunch of fishing equipment or even other sporting equipment, something that would prohibit you from being able to access it quickly.
Totally. And then this is an interesting looking life vest, I think.
Yes.
And then there are kind of finicky rules when it comes to these two. What is this?
Well, this type of life vest, there's different rules that apply to these. Some have to be worn in order to count towards the number of life vests that you need on your boat. Others do not. This one specifically, and once again, all the information that you need will be on the back.
Right.
The U.S. Coast Guard prints all of this. So, like, it'll tell you every regulation for this particular vest, and this one in particular may not be worn by someone under 15 years of age.
So yeah, if you get stopped or whatever, you may think that you have all of your life vest accounted for all your people on the vessel, but it comes down to those specific rules that people need to watch out for. Huh?
Absolutely. Everyone just needs to read the back of the life vest and make sure that it is age and size appropriate for the occasion.
Absolutely. It's all to keep us safe, folks. Make sure they're readily accessible to, not in that storage bin, in the boat storage area, under those coolers, that kind of thing, guys. I'm learning so many boating safety tips this morning, and we've got some zingers for you coming up here in just a little bit that I think that we'll all be shocked by.